one of the comments that we have on our TikTok, I believe, was try welding with sparklers. And I think that's an awesome idea. And it just so happened that we had a couple birthdays in the house in the last couple weeks, so we have some sparklers left over. You're supposed to go, woo, daddy, daddy.
It's my birthday.
God, they're so thin. Oh, we should try welding a 60-10. Let us know in the comments if you want us to try a 60-10. That'd be cool.
I don't know what that is.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna weld this side first.
The non-sparkly side?
Just kidding. That would be boring.
And safe.
Let's use this as spooler wire.
It's not as like cuckoo bananas as I thought. Yes. Gross.
Wow.
It wouldn't even like stick to there.
No. Okay, let's try doing it this way. Yeah, it looks not bad that way.
That side works.
So you know what I should try to do is try to hold it the other way and see if it lights it on fire while I'm welding. It might.
Woo!
Anybody else need theirs lit?
Oh!
I was not expecting.
Send her over.
Jesus.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
A little out of control there.
Eh, just explodes. Not yet, yeah.
I wonder where the fuel tank is in that rod to breathe in.
Yeah, for sure it is. Oh.